Welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Yes, I come to talk about a little thing. You see, on the media, just want to put 2 cents worth into it. Yes. About Kingston 13 and Gracie Saga here. I mean, it's a little bit funny yesterday when we come back and we see somebody was reviewing it. So yes, so it was basically really Queen Bee was talking about it and saying she have a message for Gracie and so forth. So a few things from me here she said which I don't really totally agree with, because she was saying that Gracie need to apologize and this, that and the other. But what I mean I say me hear Gracie apologize before, and Tina said she don't want no apology from her, and so when she going to church the first time, and if me wouldn't apologize again, to be honest. If me apologize once and somebody no want accept me apology, me not apologize again. And then I'm sure she me hear apologize to Ashanti and different people anyway, but that's the bit me was saying. And also me hear she said she mash up people business. Me don't know if a business she mash up, or me know say Tina was saying that Gracie tear down her business. But Tina, you're tearing down your own business, to be fair, because your behavior really sometimes is not acceptable. The way me hear you talk about you and cake them, and or it'll get diarrhea and weight loss, and me hear you come out when you see the whole cake them a ship out of 99. Oh, yeah, the cake them look like cow dung and also, and people say a marketing strategy, but me not see how that is marketing strategy. Is very childish, yes. I said that already anyway, but me one video recently where you talk about diarrhea and I make up knives, like when people dip on the toilet, which I thought was very childish and disgusting. And then you say Miss Lothian and the man of England and AD, them a friend, and say them a promote them one business, and you wouldn't you would not promote nobody business, you just promote your own business. So that me think is very selfish, yes. And all me feel, all me see anyway, I mean, I pull nobody bunko, but me just a come to talk what me see from where I'm standing looking when I'm listening, is that you're influenced by Ari and Lorraine, and it was, and Lorraine say she come to pull down corruption. God send her to pull down corruption. I don't know why God never pull it down himself. I'm sure God can pull it down himself. And God tell her, say she know she talk for free, and she talk for free, and she now go over YouTube to make no money. Because God says she not to go over there, but no, she build a page and gone over there. So we don't understand how God change his mind now and tell her to go over there. But anyway, the other thing, yeah, so basically, Ari seems to be the one, the driving force behind Tina behavior and Lorraine behavior. Yes, me go talk. Me not pull no bungo, but we just talk what me see. Yes, cause me not afraid to talk. Yes, talk. Yes, and yeah, Queen Bee. You don't seem to review certain people video. I mean, what is the only Gracie, the man of England, Dana, and Lady V videos you review. But there's a whole lot of other things going on the internet, like Lorraine behavior, Marcia behavior. When Maxine in that ball out, say Lorraine spitting at the food, you say couscous, and you know think Lorraine would that do so Jamaican couscous, yes. And then me, I know you me yes, so but me you say me hear somebody say a freedom of speech with Marcia when she talk, yes. So a lot of the behaviors appears to show say a bad mind anyway, and grudgeful, malicious, spiteful, and everything, as me say. Yes, as that me say. Spiteful, yes. Lorraine, although Gracie was did do a lot of things, all a mix up drama things. At the end of the day, Lorraine was there for tear her down, because when she did go down at 99, Lorraine come up with videos and all that, because Lorraine come across as a very bad-minded person. If she see her do well, she not like it. So she there, and she try to tear down Gracie, and she come up, drop recording, splice up stuff. Same way, so Harry come up with him splice up stuff. If we make them a go down memory lane about Ashanti and all them, and nobody now look upon them. Them get on with them life and I do alright. So that me see with Lorraine, and that nobody now listen to them. Nobody now take no notice. A few people them will listen to them and take on board what them say. I know nobody have relevance anyway. So Dana sell her cake them. Dana get on with what she have to do and I rise to the top. Why them did they watch out Dana life? Yes. And that me say. Yes. And he said people should do prayer and worship on them big platform. But you can do prayer and worship too on yours. It have to be big. You can little and then, you know, you build up, yes. But me hear you say with your mouth say that positivity no sell. People like mix up, so and then you review a lot of mix up and some very one side with some of the mix up and a bit patronizing. Yes, so I just that me come fi say, and it's my opinion as you always say, so I'm just saying what I see looking in. Yes, all right then, that's the end of it. Yes.